Hi, today we're going to be taking our Boston review look at SHONEN Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game Cube. I picked it up at Target for about $15.99, so about 16 bucks or so. Yeah, I don't know if it's on the pricey side. It depends on who's buying it, you know. So when you get in here in the Cube, you get 3 rare cards, 2 foil cards, 2 booster packs, 4 DUELiST packs, and 20 cards. Now, I don't know if that's a good deal or not. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus here. So it is distributed by Fairfield Company, which I know a YouTuber, Leonhardt, he hates the Fairfield Company. Whenever they do, you know, like the Pokemon meta boxes and meta mystery and, you know, those type of deals. I don't know why he hates them. He always calls them garbage. The cards you get in there, or, you know, where it's ones where it's like, you get one mystery item. Could be a coin, could be a pen, could be a little fitter ring to, you know, put on your shelf or something. Yet, you always see them go out and buy them. So I don't know about that. And this is something that really makes me mad to watch here on YouTube. Whenever you see these people that they're like, buy Pokemon cards, okay? I don't care if you buy them for like Dollar Store, the Dollar General, you know, that's cool and stuff with me. But what I really hate is when they grab a card, they open up, they got like a limited edition reverse hollow full artwork textured shiny type of card that's ghostware, that is, you know, rainbowware, goldware, you know, like these limited edition exclusives, like one has ever been made in the world that it's hard to find out of that one set, and they found them. What do you do? What do you do? What do you think they do? What the F do you think they do? They grab that one in the whole entire world limited edition card and they freaking rip it. And then after they rip it, they're like, oh no, I rip it, oh my god, I rip it. And then they cry. You know what? They start to get kicked right in the effing face and a punch in the ribs. Because that's disrespectful to every single card owner out there, be it Pokemon cards. And now I'm seeing it be done on Yu-Gi-Oh cards, okay? And now Samurai X1 is starting to get Yu-Gi-Oh cards, get these like rare howls, ghost howls, and, you know, reverse howls and shinies and foils and stuff, and rip them up. That is something that peels me on cards completely. If you don't want the card, you know what you do? 2 options you have. You can take the card and sell it on Amazon, on eBay, you know, to your local card shop, you know, slash, you know, comic book shop, or do something freaking effing nice and say, you know what, this card,